I don't exactly know why, but sake tastes so much better in winter. Then how about a great food pairing? Here it is. Make the marinade first. You add soy sauce, mirin, sugar, rice vinegar, sake, and cayenne. Add a touch of sesame oil and whisk until sugar is fully dissolved. Use only the green part of the scallions and cut them into thin rounds. Finely chop up half of a shallot. Use your magic power to peel the bosk pear and slice it into 1 cm thickness. Cut them lengthwise and make small dices. Cut the base of the Belgian endives and separate the leaves one by one. And here comes the star of the dish. For tuna, always remember to use the sashimi grade to stay alive. Make strips first and dice them about 1 cubic centimeter. For this one, we'll use 70 grams, which is good amount for a 2 people appetizer. Mix in tuna, shallots, and the marinade. Now you're ready to plate. Have a bowl ready. Plate the tuna mix, taking up about 1/3 of the space. Plate the bosk pear cubes beside it. And kernel the edamame guacamole, which we made in the previous episode. Place tobiko in the center. Add scallion rounds and zest lime on top of it. And stick the endives along the side of the bowl. Looking good, isn't it? That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any comments below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with more stylish cooking.